Symmetric cryptography. Hash function. Most modern cryptography hash function process message in fixed like block, although the earliest hash function includes some sort of padding scheme. It is critical for cryptographic hash function to employ termination schemes that prevent a hash from being vulnerable to length extension attacks. Many padding schemes are based on appending predictable data to the final block. For example, the path could be derived from the total length of the message. The kind of padding scheme is commonly applied to hash algorithms that use the Merkle-Domkrot construction such as MD block cipher mode of operation. There is variance as if to use streaming mode of operation instead of block mode of operation. An example of streaming mode encryption is the counter mode of operation. Streaming modes of operation can encrypt and decrypt messages of any size and therefore do not require padding. More intricate ways of ending a message such as ciphertext stealing or residual block termination avoid the need for padding. A disadvantage of padding is that it makes the plain text of the message susceptible to padding oracle attacks. Padding oracle attacks allow the attacker to gain knowledge key of the plain text without attacking the block cipher primitive itself. Padding oracle attacks can be avoided by making sure that an attacker cannot gain knowledge key about the removal of the padding page. This can be accomplished by verifying a message authentication code or MIC or digital signature before removal of the padding page or by switching to a streaming mode of operation. With padding can be applied to messages of any size, a single set or one, which is added to the message and as any reset. With a driver or possibly none are added, the number of resets with added will depend on the block boundary to which the message needs to be extended. This method can be used to point message with any number of bits long, not necessarily a whole number of bits long. For example, a message of 23 bits that is byte with 9 bits in order to fail. Public key cryptography. In public key cryptographic padding is the process of preparing a message for encryption or signing using a specification or scheme such as PKCIs. The operation is referred to as padding because originally random material was simply appended to the message to make it long enough for the primitive. This form of padding is not secure and is therefore no longer available. A modern padding scheme aims to ensure that the attacker cannot manipulate the plain text to exploit the mathematical structure of the primitive and will usually be accompanied by a proof, often in the random oracle model. That breaking the padding scheme is as hard as solving the hard problem underlying the primitive. Traffic analysis and protection via padding. Even if perfect cryptographic routines are used, the attacker can gain knowledge key of the amount of traffic that was generated. The attacker may not know what Alice and Bob were talking about, but can know that they were talking and how much they like it. In some circumstances, these links can be highly compromising. Consider, for example, when a military is organizing a secret attack against another nation. It may serve to alert the other nation for them to know merely that there is a lot of secret activity going on.